Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to correctly apply for overdraft in your HDFC salary account. So here we have two options. So these are the steps to apply for HDFC salary plus overdraft. So our option number one is through net banking. So first you have to log into your HDFC net banking account and then just navigate to the offers tab. You will just see it in there. So you just have to click on the salary plus offer banner and then just accept the terms and conditions to be able to activate the facility. And then your overdraft limit will be set up within seconds. So the option number two is via HDFC Bank website. So you just have to visit Salary Plus page and then click on Check Offer and then to see if you're eligible for it. And then you just have to follow the on-screen instructions to be able to activate the facility. So just like this one, you will see it, the avail now. So I got this from their website. So you can also check or visit their website, their official website. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!